problem solve. And I know you problem solve every day. But in this case, we're going to be problem solving with word problems. The best thing that you can do is, of course, read the problem, highlight important facts, and it's good to reread the problem, plan how you're going to solve it. Do you divide? Do you multiply? What do you do? Solve it. And last thing is to check it. If you come out with a 200-pound pizza, you're probably wrong. Our sample problem today involves a pizza shop. This pizza shop used 100 pounds of dough to make 125 pizzas. The other information that we get is that large pizzas use 1 pound of dough. And medium pizzas use 1/2 pound of dough. The question is, what they want of the problem is how many large and how many medium pizzas are there if you're going to make 125 pizzas with 100 pounds dough. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is highlight. In this case, I'm going to underline my important info. So this is very important, 100 to make 125 pizzas. Large pizzas, 1 pound of dough. Medium pizzas, 1/2 pound. And I'm going to reread the question. So what it's telling me is I need to know how many large and how many medium pizzas are there to make 125 pizzas using 100 pounds of dough. So this I know, that the large plus the medium will equal 125, and that 1 pound of the large plus 1/2 pound of the medium is going to equal 100 pounds of dough. With this problem, it's nice because I'm given options. For example, option F says 40 large and 85 medium. So I do know that 40 plus 85 is equal to 125. Now I'm going to check for pounds. So 40 plus 85 divided by 2 is equal to 40 plus 42.5. And that will not equal 100. So option F is out. G says 65 large and 60 medium. Again, we'll see that 65 plus 60 is 125. And then if we use the pounds, we've got 65 plus 60 divided by 2. Remember, it's a half a pound, which is equal to 65 plus 30. And that is going to equal 95 pounds, which is not equal to 100. Okay, our last option that we're going to use is 75 large and 50 medium. So again, we know that 75 plus 50 will equal 125. That's not a problem, but let's check our pounds. So 75 plus 50 divided by 2 is equal to 75 plus 25, which is equal to 100. So we can say that we're going to have 75 large pizzas and 50 medium. So make sure that your answer makes sense. We're going to do one more word problem. This one is about Pat. Pat is making pillows out of fabric. Okay, he uses 3/4 of a yard to make one pillow. If Pat has 9 yards, how many pillows can he make? Okay, our important info, 3/4 yard makes one pillow. That I'd highlight. Also, he has 9 yards. And the question wants how many pillows can he make. So right now is when we want to plan. So should we multiply or divide to get the amount of pillows? So it looks like 9 yards and 3/4 yards. If we divide that, we're going to get our answer. So 9 over 1, remember a whole number goes over 1, divided by 3/4. That is equal to keep, change, flip. We can cross cancel, and our answer is 12. So 12 pillows. Does that make sense? Yes, it does. And so now we can see that this problem works with division. He has this big amount of yards. He's going to have to divide each 3/4 yard by it. Okay, that is the end of the problem solving, but I am going to attach an assignment with this. So I hope that you read the problems well and your answers make sense. The end.